Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our physics class. We were discussing the chapter motion, and now you are familiar with speed and velocity. The distance traveled by a moving body per unit time is called its speed, and the displacement traveled by a moving body per unit time is its velocity. Both have the same unit, meter per second. Let's see uniform and non-uniform speed. Observe the figure. This figure shows the distance traveled by a car during different time intervals. That is, after the first 2 seconds, the car travels 20 meters to reach B. Similarly, the car travels next 20 meters in 2 seconds to reach C. That means the car travels 20 meters in every 2 seconds. Based on this, let's find out the speed of the car in every 2 seconds. From A to B, the distance covered is 20 meters. And the time taken is 2 seconds. We know speed is the distance travelled in unit time. So here the speed is 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 unit meter per second. So 10 meter per second is the speed. Similarly, we can find out the speed in every 2 seconds. And it is clear that the speed of the car is 10 meters per second in every 2 seconds. Here, in equal interval of time, the car covers equal distance. So the speed becomes uniform in each interval of time. That means the car is in uniform motion. In such situation, we say the car has uniform speed. Next, we are going to see the non-uniform speed. Look at this figure. This figure shows the distance travelled by a car during different time intervals. The car takes 2 seconds to cover 5 meters to reach B. And in the next 2 seconds, the car covers 50 meters to reach C. When you closely analyze the figure, you can understand that the car covers an equal distance in every 2 seconds. Let's find out the speed from A to B. The distance covered is 5 meters and the time taken for that is 2 seconds. So the speed equal to distance divided by time, that is 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. The unit here is meter per second. So 2.5 meter per second. Next is B to C. The distance covered from B to C is 15 meter and the time taken is 2 seconds. So the speed equal to 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 7.5 unit meter per second. 7.5 meter per second. In the next 2 seconds, C to D, the distance covered is 6 meters and the time taken is 2 seconds. So speed equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 meters per second. Next, D to E. The distance is 18 meters. The time taken is 2 seconds. So speed equal to 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 meters per second. Finally, E to F. The distance is 6 meters. The time taken is 2 seconds. So the speed is 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3 meter per second. Here the speed at each interval of time are not same. That is, in equal interval of time the body covers unequal distance. So the speed are not uniform. Once again, if a body in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have uniform speed. And if a body in motion covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have non-uniform speed. Observe the motion of a car displayed here. In 1 second, the car travels 10 meters. Similarly, the car travels 10 meters in every 1 second. Thus, we say the car is moving with uniform speed. That is, if a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, the body is said to have uniform speed. The planets revolve around the sun is an example for uniform speed. Look at this figure. In the first second, the car travels 10 meters. But the motion of car is not uniform in the following intervals of time. So we say the motion of the car is not uniform. Look this, a rubber ball is thrown up from the ground. Here the ball covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, that it has non-uniform speed. Do you know the name of this instrument? Yes. This instrument is used in vehicles and it is speedometer. This instrument indicates the speed of a vehicle. When looking at the speedometer, you can see different speed at different time. In such situation, how can we find out the speed of vehicles? Yes, we find the average speed. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time taken to travel the distance. Look at this figure. This figure is familiar to you. The same figure that we used to find out the speed at each point. And understand that the motion is non-uniform. Here, in every 2 seconds, the body covers unequal distance. So, while calculating the speed at each point, they seems to be non-uniform. In such situation, we find out the average speed. Let's find out the average speed of this car. This car covers 50 meters in 10 seconds. Average speed equal to total distance travelled divided by total time taken. The total distance here is 50 meters and it takes 10 seconds to cover this 50 meters. So average speed equal to 50 divided by 10, that is equal to 5. The unit is meter per second. So the answer is 5 meter per second.